Hey everybody, it's Lon Seib, and it's time for another unboxing. This came in on loan from Lenovo. This is their IdeaPad S940. This is a super slim 13.9-inch laptop, or 14 inches, I guess. And you can see how slim it is. This is not cheap. It's about $1,800, but it's got an i7 processor. It is the 8565U. It also has that 14-inch display. This model comes with a 4K display. They have a 1080p version that is on the way. So if you don't want the 4K, you can go down to something a little less high res. Backlit keyboard, nice trackpad here. On the side, you've got a USB Type-C port here for power, a headphone jack. On the other side here, we've got two Thunderbolt 3 ports, which are great to see. I always love Thunderbolt devices. And it does, of course, have a fan that vents here on the bottom. This model has 8 gigs of RAM and a 256 gigabyte SSD built in as well. Really thin bezels on this. And the webcam is at the top. They got a little bump here to accommodate the camera. It is not a touchscreen, though, but it does have a very glossy display, as you can see here. Very lightweight, very small, but it should pack a decent punch given the i7 processor that is inside. So we're going to have a full review of this coming up shortly on my main channel at lon.tv. You may be wondering where the power adapter is. Well, they have a bigger box that this smaller box comes in, and the power adapter is in that. They probably wanted to have an ooh and ah factor over the actual laptop portion. So the power adapter is your traditional Lenovo 65-watt USB-C port on there. So all in, pretty nice looking machine. We're going to have a full review to see exactly how well it does on the main channel at lon.tv very shortly, so stay tuned.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters, the Four Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.